Welcome to the Vangineer Clifford build. This custom design maximizes comfort, flexibility, and room for all your toys. Built on a brand new 2021 Ford Transit, all-wheel drive, high roof, extended wheelbase, this van provides the ideal platform for two people to take their adventures on the road and bring many of the comforts of home with them. We'll start in the outdoor cooking configuration. The custom oak table is bigger and stronger than a drop-down table and has an adjustable height for unlevel parking areas. Whether for a tailgate or just cooking outside, this lets you easily cook with the portable 2-burner induction cooktop. It has easily accessible 110 and USB power outlets. The Dometic refrigerator freezer is easily accessible from both inside or outside. Makes loading and unloading or grabbing a drink a lot easier. Stepping inside with the Ford's power auto retracting running board, we'll move to our control panel. This van has a centralized control panel. Let's start off with the Escobar gasoline-powered heater with thermostat positioned within easy reach of the bed. It has a Cymarine monitor for tracking solar absorption, power usage rate, power remaining. That will also track your gray water and your potable water. It has 2-zone dimmable LED lights. It has a Casey Pure Sine 3000 watt inverter controller, and also has built-in party lights. Let's draw the curtains and we'll show you what that looks like. Party lights have 6 LED strips that are fully dimmable, adjustable, and can be animated. Additionally, talk about some other features of the van. There are 7 different 110 outlets and 9 USB USC outlets throughout the van. Additionally, we have a max air fan with remote, a sunroof in the back with both screen and shade, a Scirocco swivel fan, and of course, a reading light.
Stepping back, you've got a microwave and you have a built-in power strip. All the cabinets have push-button lock and knobs.
With many different drawers and cabinets that maximize storage space, some drawers are specialized, like this custom fit storage to keep the 2-burner cooktop secure. Many more can be configured to your needs. Like this one, we have a trash and recycling pullout. Separate recycling. We have a pull-out locking laundry bin that doubles as a 300-pound step-up to the bed or futon. This greatly improves the ease to get into and out of the bed. Let's talk about the bed. It's a solid oak bed frame and solid oak anchor rails. It's a full double mattress, 52 inches by 75. It unlocks from futon mode with these 2 double locks. There is convenient storage on either side of the bed. And then you just pull the bed down, it rolls down from futon mode into bed mode. There's 2 other modes. The bed actually slides out the back 15 inches for under the stars mode, or the entire bed and side rails are actually removable. It has an independent sink light switch. It has a water pump cutoff switch. And it has a built-in 110 electric timer for the 2.5-gallon water heater. It only takes about 5 minutes to heat up, but a water heater is one of the biggest power consumers on board, so having a timer is key. Sink has a drinking water filter built in, has a large faucet with a retractable faucet head. Sink cover is removable, maximize your counter space. The sink is a large sink. It is big enough to actually wash pots and pans in easily. And here is a control panel for some of the plumbing mechanicals. It has an electric gray tank release valve, a cutoff switch for the toilet fan if you're not using the toilet, and a water tank heating pad if you're going to be out below freezing. Below that is the separate toilet. It's on a pullout. This seating area has 110 and USB power and a lagoon table accessible from both the driver's seat as well as this custom seat. This custom seat also provides a camouflage for our shower system. Curtains could quickly provide privacy and the shower pops up like this.
And then you have your shower with a teak bottom. So that's it for the main compartment of the cabin. All right, now this is the garage.
The garage space is actually enormous, with 60 cubic feet of storage. Could come with a 500-pound optional pull-out shelf. The bulkhead is also completely removable, and that would allow a 15-foot by 2-foot wide opening. Could easily fit a kayak or canoe.
So we've got the outside shower hookup. We got a water fill port with a power switch to see manually where the water level is, as well as the Cymarine water level inside. You got some additional storage, things like your outdoor shower. Next door to that is the water mechanicals, which could also be additional storage. Then on the other side, the electrical power cabinet. The van has 360 watts of solar on the roof. It's got 300 amp hours of battle-born lithium down here, 3,000 watt inverter, as well as a battery-to-battery Sterling charger. Additionally, it's got a shore power outlet outside, so it's got 3 power sources. Batteries have a built-in rack for safety. And this is now the backside of the bed sled. And so let me drop the bed down and I'll show you how to turn it into the other parts.
The bed is now in under the stars mode, and again, the bed is easily removable for transporting big items, etc. Please feel free to ask any questions on the build or about the van. You can link to our contact information via this QR code. Thank you, and safe travels out there.